Apple has been systematically locking out independent repair shops since 2019 using invisible firmware restrictions that only their authorized technicians can bypass. This isn't a bug, it's a deliberate policy buried in iOS updates that prevents third-party diagnostics from even running on iPhones. When you take your phone to a local repair shop, Apple's software detects the unauthorized access and permanently disables features like Face ID and camera functionality. The company calls it security. What it actually is, $2.8 billion in annual repair revenue that Apple funnels directly to their own service centers instead of letting 47,000 independent repair technicians survive. You're paying 340% markups on screen replacements that cost $12 to manufacture but $89 when Apple does it. Right now, 23 states have passed right to repair laws specifically because of this policy. If you've ever wondered why your phone battery